Welcome everybody. In this video, you'll discover how QSM's AI Integration add-on brings AI power straight into your WordPress quizzes. This truly performs like your new quiz-making copilot. So, at first we will see how this actual works in real, then later we'll move to configuration and setup part. Now let's dive in. Alright, here we go. Imagine I want to create a test with 15 questions for my students. Let's dive in and start adding those questions with AI. Now, here's where you'll really see the AI in action. This page is where the magic happens, and you can see the questions start to take shape. Let's kick things off with a prompt. I'm interested in questions about space and time. It's a fascinating topic. Let's refine my prompt here. From here, we choose the question type. You have a variety of types to choose from, like fill in the blanks, drop-down menus, and others. For now, let's go with multiple choice. I'll set the number of questions to 5 and choose easy as difficulty level. Now, I want to tweak the settings a bit. Each correct answer should be worth 2 points, and this will be on the first page. Let's finally hit this button to generate the questions. Yay! And just like that, the questions are generated. We can go ahead and delete any we don't need. Perfect. Great! These are the questions we need. Let's explore what other features are available. You'll notice a regenerate button at the right here. This button lets you regenerate questions if they're not quite right. Let's click it and see them regenerate. You can also regenerate the answers or options with a simple click. If you want to add more answers, you just click and it will provide more options, or you can regenerate the existing ones. Excellent. Let's make sure to save the work now that we've regenerated a question. Perfect. You can see the updated question here. With 5 questions down, let's add some more. Next, let's create questions about the human body. This time, I want a fill in the blank type, with 5 questions at a medium difficulty level. We'll label this as section 2 and choose page 2 for these questions. Everything is set. Let's generate them. We're making good progress. Let's quickly add one more section. Now, let's finish off with the final 5 questions. I'll focus on scientists this time, using a drop-down format and setting the difficulty to hard. I want them to display on the 3rd page. Let's go ahead and hit the Generate button. Fantastic, all our questions are ready. One last step, let's name each section. The 3rd section is about scientists. The 2nd one was about the human body, and the 1st was about space and time. Great, let's save everything and publish our quiz. With everything done, let's take a look at our final product. To use the QSM AI integration, you'll need to get a Pro bundle. Once that's done, all the AI features are unlocked and ready to go. Let's move on to the configuration process of AI add-on. After activation and licensing, select Installed from the add-on, then head to Settings to process the necessary steps. Here, you'll see various AI models, but currently QSM only supports OpenAI's ChatGPT and its various versions. So let's work with this. Click on to enable this. It requires an API key, so you'll need to enter the API key here. To get your API key, open a new tab and search for OpenAI API key. Click on the first link that appears and log in from there. Here you can choose any of the method to log in. I'm simply continuing with Google. Proceed by entering your name and your birth date to set things up. With the OpenAI account created, it asks to create an organization, so let's continue. I'll type my name here to describe myself as somewhat technical, and go ahead and create an organization. I'll invite my team later, but for now, my API key name will be my first test key. This is a project where I'll generate my API key. Here is my key. You can copy it from here. With the API key copied, head back to the relevant section and paste it. After pasting, I'll save the setting to ensure everything is set up correctly. Great, we've saved everything. The configuration process is now complete. That's it. You already know how to generate questions after the configuration process. So this was QSM AI Integration add-on effortlessly generates quizzes in seconds, allowing you to tweak questions with a single click. Get the add-on today and start creating smarter quizzes. Do give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and happy quizzing.